take off. The home point has been updated, please check it on the map. Maximum flight altitude reached.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be telling you guys about the DJI Mini 3 hack process. So many people are confused related to the DJI Mini 3 hack process. So few people are saying that Rainbow application is getting connected, Lychee application is getting connected, and few are saying that DHcompanion is able to hack DJI Mini 3. So I'm here to clear all your myths. So in this video, I'll be doing the hack process on DJI Mini 3 with the DHcompanion, Rainbow application, Lychee application. So with this, you guys will be clear whether these hacks are working and whether the Dronehacks license is working with the DJI Mini 3. So all your myths will be clear in this video. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, as you all know that to use DHcompanion, we would require a license linked with our email address. So I have visited Dronehacks website and here I was unable to find the DJI Mini 3 license. So I am purchasing the DJI Mini 3 Pro license for the DJI Mini 3. So as you can see on the screen, we get the license for 40 euros. But after using the coupon code that's mentioned in the description, you will get 10% off on the license. So here, once you're completed with the purchasing of the license will be linked on your email address. So with this license, you guys will be able to connect your drone to the Dronehacks Windows software as well as the DHcompanion. So guys, firstly we will be trying the Dronehacks Windows software. So to do this hack, we have to turn on our drone. After the first beep, we have to connect our drone to the laptop via USB cable. So while doing this, you have to keep your Dronehacks software open on your laptop or your PC. So once the drone is connected to your software, here you can see on the screen that with the DJI Mini 3, we are seeing that unsuccessful to connect, and also there is an error message when we try to connect the Dronehacks Windows software with our DJI Mini 3. So this was unsuccessful. So with this, we got the confirmation that Windows Dronehacks software does not work with DJI Mini 3. So now we will be testing DHcompanion. So to use the DHcompanion, we would require a license and the license is linked on our email address. So I have opened the DHcompanion and I have just detached and attached the cable to the phone. Here you can see that I am selecting DHcompanion and here on the screen you can see that connected on resume. It says that drone has been connected to the DHcompanion, but we also see that error message. That means even DHcompanion does not recognize the DJI Mini 3. Again, this was an unsuccessful process. So now we will be checking with the free version of Rainbow application. As you guys mentioned, that free version of Rainbow application is getting connected to our DJI Mini 3. So I'm trying the Rainbow application. As you can see on the screen, the drone is connected to our Rainbow application, and when we click on fly drone, we are here in the Rainbow application. This is how we get the interface. Anyhow, this app is getting connected, but it is not fetching the data from the DJI Mini 3 or providing the data to the DJI Mini 3. So I'll quickly show you guys. When we go to the settings and go to the general or aircraft and change the max altitude parameters, here you can see that it says disconnected. So our free version of Rainbow application is unable to provide or get the data from the DJI Mini 3. So this was also an unsuccessful method. Now I have opened the paid version of Rainbow application, and here also when you open the paid version of Rainbow application, we will be able to see a message where drone is connected to our paid version of Rainbow application. So the simple step that you guys have to follow to connect the Rainbow application to your drone is just open the Rainbow application, unplug your cable and plug it back to your phone. And once that's done, you will see a message as drone is connected to your Rainbow application. So guys, as you can see on the screen, our drone is now connected to the paid version of Rainbow application. I'll skip the login and click on fly drone. So once I click on fly drone, here in the list of drones, you can see that DJI Mini 3 is not listed in this particular drones. So basically our DJI Mini 3 will not be connecting to this paid version of Rainbow application as well. So as I mentioned in my previous video, as DJI has not released the SDK, this Rainbow application, Lychee application or any third-party application will not be able to support DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro. So now as you can see on the screen, I again went to the settings and changed the max altitude, but that did not work. Again, the paid version of Rainbow application was not successful. So guys, with this we got the confirmation that paid version of Rainbow application, free version of Rainbow application, DHcompanion, and even the desktop Dronehacks software is not working with the DJI Mini 3. So with this we got the confirmation that none of these hacks are working on our DJI Mini 3 and we will not be able to fly our DJI Mini 3 more than 15 meters. Somehow I have found a solution for our DJI Mini 3 to fly the drone more than 15 meters, and I'll be uploading a video soon on this topic, maybe by the coming Saturday or Sunday. So guys, for your confirmation, let me also try the Lychee application. So I have opened the Lychee application. Here on the screen you can see the clear message as disconnected. So Lychee application is not able to fetch the data of DJI Mini 3 and we are not able to hack the DJI Mini 3 even with the Lychee application. Hope with this you got a clear message that LITCHI RAINBOW or DHcompanion does not work on DJI Mini 3.
The home point has been updated. Maximum flight altitude reached.
So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. In the next video, I'll be telling you guys simple steps how you can hack your DJI Mini 3 from 15 meters to 500 meters. So till the video is uploaded on the channel, stay tuned. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.